Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Down the Garage Day Out. So, a bit rude of me. I'm fucking polo. So we have lots of these signals. So today I've found these boxes. And that's the junction signal. Home junction signal. So, where's the base gone? Oh, that's where that base has come from. Isn't it?
Yeah.
There's some base in there. So, some of these were broken. As they were. A lot of them, well, there was a few broken. You can see the few broken bits in there. So, we're sorting these out. So that's that one. We've got some spare rods. That's a little bit short, that one. You can see it's been broke before and folded down. But we thought we'll put it in the box with it until we get
some more.
So that's that one. It's got the thing on it. I did that one. What was this one? Yeah, so we did the same idea with this one, but we didn't have a short head for this one. So I found one in there, in that box, and I made a new.
I think they came out, but yeah.
I made a new rod for it, and this had a home distance signal on it, and it was all missing. So I've managed to find some bits. So I've made that one, and obviously again we've got a spare top, and it's a bit iffy, but it does fit in the base. I think it should go that way. It's a little bit tight, but that'll do. Can't get it out now without breaking it. So that's that one. Let's do another spare one. So that's that done. Go back in there now. I think these should be wrapped in that tissue paper.
We ain't got any of it, have we?
Well, I have somewhere, but I don't know where. So that's those ones. That's an earlier one, isn't it? We said.
I believe so.
The metal ones, look.
Oh yeah. Wonder why that box had a bit more weight to it.
Yeah, that's the earlier ones. So and I've repaired this one as well. I think it was this one, wasn't it? Yeah, done the same thing, just put a bit of
balsa wood
with a nail in it. So that stands up now. Haven't got a box. I don't think these come here. I think these were in blister packs. So we found a little box here. Because obviously they're quite delicate, and when they're in a big box, because the later ones are just plastic.
They're not the metal ones.
They're not metal ones. So put those in there. I'm hoping these will fit. Come up now. I don't know whether they will fit in there and keep them all together, you know. So it's because they are a bit
fiddly,
delicate. I don't know whether it's going to fit. Going to fit?
No.
Oh well, we'll have to find something else.
You don't want to force it.
No, I'm not going to. Because I say these are only plastic, these ones. But they fit in there.
Yeah.
That needs the plastic. We just find a couple more plastic things.
Because that one needs it as well.
Yeah, I think there is one in there. Yeah, that's what we've been up to. We're going to make a label for that. Unless we find another box. But we've also been sorting out our boxes over here. Because they've all got a bit mixed up. So that's all wagons, isn't it?
That is, yeah, I believe.
Yeah. So what are they? They're all wagons. They're all wagons, aren't they? Don't know whether they go up there. It's a bit tight.
What's them ovens over there? On the same shelf?
No, these are all... Oh, that's a coal truck. Coal truck. Yeah, they're all wagons. They're all wagons.
They're all engines, aren't they? There.
These are, yeah, and tenders.
And incline piers, platform ramps.
Yeah, gatekeeper's hut.
There's three gatekeepers' huts there.
Yeah.
Incline piers, porter's room. See, all the station stuff we could try and get over there.
Yeah.
And this shelf we haven't really sorted yet, have we?
Well, I was just going through it just now, but... Yeah, they're the canopy supports.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we've been up to. So we've got
all that there.
Try and get it all back on the shelf now. But just maybe if we move these water tower and stuff boxes out, maybe we can get all the engines and the wagons on this shelf.
Yeah, might be able to.
There's another milk wagon there, look.
Got loads of them. We just haven't got the actual wagon to put in the box.
Is there not one in the drawer?
No. I don't know, there might be.
Well, we'll have a look in a minute. Anyway, so it's all good fun. So thanks for watching, and we'll pick something else to sort out in a minute. So bye for now.